Okay everyone, so we just received this 50 pint Frigidaire dehumidifier and we're going to test it out. We moved into this house a couple days ago and it is extremely humid in here. It smells really bad and it just feels really humid. It's at 62% humidity right now in this house. Here it is in all its glory. And right now we have it on the continuous mode because the manual says to leave it like this for 3 to 5 days and then go ahead and switch it to whatever humidity you want it to be at. This goes as high as 85% humidity, and then it goes as low as 35% humidity. So after we have it on continuous for 3 to 4 days, we'll go ahead and switch it over to whatever percentage we want. Right now we have the fan speed at high because this is our first time using it and we definitely want to get rid of all that humidity. So like I said, it is at 62%. And right now it's 12:37, so I will check back in an hour and see where we're at with this percentage. Okay, so it is a little past the hour. It's 1:51 right now, but it is 50% humidity. So in about an hour, it went down more than 10%, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna check back when it gets to the humidity that I want, which is 35%, so we'll see how long it takes to get to 35%. Okay everyone, so it is Saturday. It's been about 4 days since we put this humidifier on and it is finally at 35%. This is a 1,500 square foot home and so this humidifier is basically doing all the work for this home and we finally reached 35% after a couple days and it has been on continuous mode this whole time. So we usually have to empty this container about 2 times every day. Once this red line gets all the way to the top, you have to empty it. The lowest this has brought the humidity down to is 35%. This is actually the first time it's brought it down to 35%. During the day, usually it's about 40%, 42%. What we have noticed is once that fills up, this shuts down automatically, and if that happens, then the humidity just kind of skyrockets. So we would probably have to get another unit just to put upstairs because we do have a 2-story home. But we would once again rate this at an 8 out of 10. It does the job. We are probably going to keep it in continuous mode just to see if it can go any lower than 35% because the lowest that it shows is 35% aside from the continuous mode. So maybe leaving it on continuous will bring it down a little bit lower, but I would definitely recommend it. If you guys are interested in checking it out, I'll leave a link down below in the description box.